found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be me showing how I do my braid pattern for my crochet braids, and what I'm gonna use on my hair underneath the braids is Flavor of Amaya's Shea butter. I don't know which one it is, but I've used this before and the moisture retention is crazy. So I really wanted to be able to use this on my hair during protective styling, because I know I won't be able to get in there and really moisturize and get to my strands because they'll be underneath the protective style. However, with this, I am confident that I will keep moisture the entire time. So I've already parted my first section, and I'm going for a look this time of individuals in the front, but I won't be doing them individually. So I'll show you. I'm just getting a little bit of butter. Making sure I'm getting those ends. What I'm gonna start off by doing, let me turn around so that you guys can see. What I'm gonna start off by doing is making this sort of like an individual braid. And then I'm gonna bring in the first braid and connect it basically. And add the braid from before. If you look there, it looks like a section for 3 separate individual braids. So I'm gonna continue that pattern across the front of my head, and then I'll be back to show you how it all looks together.